I'm Dr. Carol Clark. I'm the President and Director of Therapy Certification Training in the International Institute of Clinical Sexology. And I'm really excited to announce that we've been building up a series of home study videos, and we're going to keep expanding them. So I encourage you to go to our website at therapycertification.org and check out under workshops our home study classes. We have both some of our classes from our school, and we have continuing education hours offered through home studies now, from 1 hour to 5 hour workshops. And they cover a variety of topics from transgender and gender dysphoria and other gender issues, to sex addiction, to addiction in general, to various topics on sexuality. And I think you'll find them a lot of fun. The way they're set up is you watch videos, and then you just answer some questions and read some articles, and then you will get your certificate. Yay. So check them out. We are an approved provider from the various Florida boards: mental health, marriage and family, and clinical social work, nursing, psychology in the state of Florida, and we're an approved provider by the NBCC. And so please check us out and earn your continuing education hours. I hope to see you soon.